What's up? Eric MFG here. We just got home from seeing The Flash. Reviews on the channel. But you know what that means? I can finally eat The Flash Cinnamon Bolt Cereal. Let's go. I was just noticing the back of this. It's pretty cool. Barry Allen is The Flash. Cinnamon Bolts. Captain Crunch. I've had this box of cereal for a while because the movie was supposed to come out last year. It was delayed, but it's finally out now, so it's time to eat the cereal. This looks very unspectacular. Smells like cinnamon though. Look at those bolts. I'm not expecting anything out of this. I think it's gonna be pretty mid. Dry. Tastes like cinnamon. It's not horrible. Cinnamon. It's not horrible. Let's try it with milk. Surprisingly, it's not stale. I love cereal. I love cereal. Crunchy. It's got a decent flavor. There's much better cinnamon cereals out there, but this box was just sitting around, so gotta eat it anyway. Decent cinnamon flavor. It's crunchy, not stale. It's not spectacular. We'll still eat the rest of it. 6 out of 10. Well, that's it for tonight. Come back again for another review.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, bruh.